Today we are doing the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius proposed an equation to calculate the activation energy EA of a chemical equation having rate constant K and temperature T in 1889. This was the Arrhenius equation. K is equal to A into e raised to power minus EA by RT. In this equation, K is the rate constant, A is the frequency factor, EA is the activation energy, R is the gas constant and T is the absolute temperature. This is the one form. If you want another form, then you need to take the ln on both sides. So now I am taking ln. So taking ln on both sides, I will get ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT, right? This is the equation for one temperature and one rate constant. If you want this equation for two different temperatures, for two different reactions having two different rate constant K1 and K2, so you can write that form also. Now I am telling you that form. So now I am considering that I am writing for two reactions. So for two reactions, first I will write for temperature T1. This will become ln K1 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT1. This is for temperature T1. And then for temperature T2, it will become ln K2 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT2. Right? These are the two equations for two different temperatures, T1 and T2, and for two different rate constant K1 and K2. Now I will combine these. For combining them, first I will write the value of ln A. So from the equation 2, the value of ln A will become ln K2 plus EA by RT2. Then this value I will put in the first equation. It will become ln K1 is equal to ln K2 plus EA by RT2 minus EA by RT1, right? Or I can write it as K1 minus ln K2. This will become common from both the terms, right? Then I will multiply by minus on both sides. Then it will become ln K2 minus ln K1 equal to EA by R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So now in the bracket I can take the LCM and I can solve this. It will become ln K2 by K1 equal to EA by R. T1, T2 will be the LCM and it will become T2 minus T1. If you want in the form of log, then you can write log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1, T2. Right? So these are the final forms for two different temperatures and for two different rate constant. Now I am telling you the graph between ln K and 1 by T. They can ask you about this also. So graph will be ln K and between the 1 by T. This graph will be straight line. Here slope will be minus EA by R and intercept will be ln A. So please prepare this also. They can ask you about the slope and intercept in the competitive exams. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please join our Facebook group that is by the name Chem Club. Thanks for watching.